We, the NSS volunteers of NSUT Cell, are here to enlighten you all about the events organized by the NSS NSUT Cell.
Dr. Praveen Saroha, the Director of Physical Education Department, NSUT, he is the Program Coordinator of NSS NSUT Cell. All the successful events and the achievements would not be possible without his guidance.
Let's dive into the journey of NSS. On the occasion of 71st Republic Day, NSUT organized the Plugging Drive, a cleanliness program in the university campus because cleanliness is not just about keeping oneself and his home clean, it is also keeping our environment clean so that we can avoid the spread of germs. We all know blood donation is a practice of donating healthy blood to people in need. People also tend to store blood in blood banks for future use. It is a sign of humanity which helps in uniting people of different religion, caste, and creed. The NSUT NSS cell, in collaboration with the Armed Forces Transfusion Center, organized a blood donation camp on 19 February 2020.
In our country, children in poverty make up 39% of the population, and most of these children do not receive a good education because their parents cannot afford to send them to anything but a public school. Education is important for children because they are the future of the world and they should be updated with current affairs. They are the pillar of the nation. To develop a country and the world, the future should be secure and the children are the weapons to build the nation with all their knowledge and education. Here, Project Asha, organized by our NSS volunteers, teaches more than 45 students of different classes in both online and offline modes, provides them notes and study material. Not only education, moral education is also being taught.
Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, of making India a self-reliant nation. The first mention of this came in the form of the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Self-Reliant India Mission during the announcement of the coronavirus pandemic related economic package on 12th May 2020. Our NSS NSUT cell, in collaboration with KMV NSS, promoted the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative from 14th to 15th July. Here, we made a list of Indian brands and foreign brands and uploaded the same on our social media handles so that whenever anyone goes to the market, he or she first looks at our list and then purchases or uses the Indian products.
As you all know, the Career Guidance Program is a comprehensive developmental program designed to assist individuals in making and implementing informed educational and occupational choices. A career guidance and counseling program develops an individual's competencies in self knowledge, educational, and occupational exploration, and career planning. On 14th February 2020, 16 volunteers, along with our program coordinator, Dr. Praveen Saroha, went to Government Boys Senior Secondary School, Dwarka, Sector 3, to guide students on the topic how to prepare for future competitions. The response from the students towards our program was very energetic and enthusiastic. Also, a solid career plan is important in life that can provide a roadmap for your future.
Diksha Portal, National Portal of India, the visionary thinking of our program coordinator Dr. Praveen Sarowa gave us NSS volunteers the opportunity to receive online training from the Diksha Portal iGoat and to serve the nation when called upon to do so, where 10 volunteers took part in more than 18 online training programs on topic infection prevention and control by iGoat, and more than 70 volunteers completed the course of COVID-19 awareness and prevention.
From 20th July to 27th July, NSS NSUT Cell, in collaboration with Shivaji College, JCBUST, MSI, GGSIPU, CBGEC, organized a 7 days virtual trip to Northeast India named as the Eight Siblings, the Pride of India. The main motto of the event was to introduce northeastern states to the participants in a very interactive way. The states included Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Nagaland, and Tripura. The event included short speeches on a particular state depending on the day, as well as making short notes on the most interesting facts related to that particular state.
Here, on the occasion of 74th Independence Anniversary, 15th August 2020, NSS NSUT Cell, in collaboration with university societies including Subhasha, Prayas, and Canvas, celebrated Independence Day with the hosting of our national flag digitally and then paying tribute to Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. This day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. It also marks the anniversary of the partition of the subcontinent into two countries, India and Pakistan, which occurred at midnight on August 14 and 15, 1947. This particular event, organized by NSS, saw a participation of more than 100 participants through various digital platforms.
Fit India movement has conducted Fit India Freedom Run from 15th August to 2nd October 2020 to encourage fitness and help us all to get freedom from obesity, laziness, stress, anxiety diseases, etc. The concept behind this run is that it can be run anywhere, anytime. NSS NSUT Cell organized running, the human body's most raw form of freedom event, which was aimed at inspiring the participants to exercise their body's most raw form of freedom, and it was a huge success as we saw around 64 participants covering a distance of more than 320 kilometers within a time span of 5 days, that is from 25th to 29th August.
Karamchand Gandhi, who was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. He became one of the most respected spiritual and political leaders of the 1900s. Gandhi helped free the Indian people from the British rule through non-violent resistance and is honored by Indians as the father of the Indian nation. The NSS cell of NSUT observed the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi Communal Harmony Day on 2nd October. We organized a webinar on Discover Yourself with Jyotsna Bava. 39 students participated in this webinar, whose main aim was to develop a community of individuals who wanted to value themselves first, who wanted to chase their passion, not success.
The National Education Policy 2020, which was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29th July 2020, outlines the vision of India's new education system. The major highlights of NEP, National Education Policy 2020, are schooling to begin from the age of 3 years. The revised policy expands the age group of mandatory schooling from 6 to 14 years to 3 to 18 years. This new system will include 12 years of schooling with 3 years of Anganwadi or preschooling. NSS NSUT Cell organized a webinar on National Education Policy on 16 September and organized a quiz on 2nd October based on National Education Policy awareness. Gender sensitization presides over gender sensitivity, the modification of behavior by raising awareness of gender equality concerns. The Internal Complaints Committee, in association with NSS NSUT Cell, organized a workshop on gender sensitization. Gender sensitization event was about changing behavior and instilling empathy into the views that we held about our own and the other genders. In this event, we made people aware of the various aspects related to gender equality. The speaker of the event, Professor Dr. Ritu Gupta, who is a professor of law at National Law University Delhi and has 17 years of teaching experience, made us understand that gender is not a woman's issue, it's a people's issue. Vigilance Awareness Week, started by the Central Vigilance Commission (CVC). The basic aim of observance of Vigilance Awareness Week is to bring to the notice of the people at large as how corruption is eroding the basic values in the country and how to eradicate it. This week was organized from 27th October 2020 to 2nd November 2020 by NSS NSUT Cell. The week began with taking a live integrity pledge with all the volunteers and many staff and faculty members. Then throughout the week, activities were conducted on our social media handles to increase awareness. The Vigilance Awareness Quiz was also conducted on D2C platform. Now, road safety awareness, which is very important to be aware that road traffic injuries remain an important public health problem. When road safety products are utilized correctly or efficiently, they can help save lives, prevent accidents and injuries, and keep a society functioning in the most optimal way. NSS NSUT Cell, in collaboration with Mr. Jatin Kataria from Honda, conducted a webinar on road safety awareness on 7th November 2020, in which we learned about the road safety measures and features.
Financial Literacy Drive. NSS NSUT Cell, in collaboration with Vitshala, the Financial Literacy Society of SRCC DU, had organized Financial Literacy Drive on 20th Feb 2020 by launching a literacy drive in which the students and working staff were told the basic financial education along with government saving schemes. National Level Awareness Program. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, the Government of India had organized its National Level Awareness Program 2020 for the student of NSUT on 21st Feb 2020 on the theme Prime Minister Employment Generation Program in establishing a new business and providing financial assistance by the way of subsidy and training. Intensive and focused COVID-19 campaign. We, volunteers at NSS NSUT Cell, went to villages adopted by our NSUT to render our service under intensive and focused COVID-19 campaign in the month of November. We did awareness program and conveying the message of Ayush Ministry to the villagers. We also carried out similar activity on our campus and in the nearby areas, especially interacting with the people in the Tuesday market. A webinar was also conducted by our volunteers with the Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Najafgarh on 18th October 2020. Volunteers also created many posters and slogans to grab more attention and spread the awareness effectively.
Upcoming special event. We are planning to organize a webinar in which participants will get to know about some tools of mapping that are given by ISRO. This event is useful for those students who want to start up any app based on map like delivery app, useful for those who wants to gain some knowledge on mapping, useful for those who wants to see the current map in previous years, something around 30 years back, and many more.
Presenting you NSS NSUT Cell's office bearers. Anuj as President, Snigdha Singh and Mansi as Vice President and Naveen Meena as Secretary.